left B&M, this goes 65 miles an hour, 7 inversions, which is very, very nice. I'm pretty sure it's B&M Floorless, I don't know, but let's get on. It's only on 5 minutes, so let's go. Coming off Kraken, I do just want to quickly get out of the way, but it was only on one train, the operations weren't that good. But moving on to the ride, the ride was very, very good. As I said, 7 inversions, a floorless coaster as well. I didn't really feel the floorless sensation, but I think you need to be on the front to properly feel that. But yeah, it was very intense. I like the layout of it as well. Great ride. Kraken.